Get the laser buffer. Del, you want to get in on this? Where's the laser? Oh, Del's gonna get it. Good boy, Del. Get it. Oh, good boy, oh boy, oh boy. Here we go, Del. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Where is it? Where is it? Let Buffer get it. Wanna play, Buffer? You're one handsome man, Buffer. You should come out more often and show the world your beauty. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I am talking to you, and you know I'm talking to you. Who's gonna get it? Del's gonna get it? Del's gonna get it. Del's gonna get it. Oh, Del. Where'd it go, Del? Okay, let's give Buffer a try. Ready? Here we go. Where is it? Good boy. Oh my goodness. Good boy, Buffer. Where's the laser, Buffer? Where is it, Buffer? Buffer. Good boy, Buffer. We're losing interest. My thumb is getting sore. Hi, Del. It's all about the Buffmaster right now. Where's the laser, Buffer? Hi. Hi, handsome man. Oh, I'm gonna lay down. Okay. Yeah, you just, oh, hi, handsome. Who's a big rolling boy? I just saw a belly. That's very comfortable. If you just showed me your belly, that's massive. Mr. Buffer, I think I'm gonna get to pet you. Maybe in a couple days, but I'm gonna get to pet you. Want the laser again? Yeah? Ready? Where is it? Where is it, Buffer? Yeah. Where's the laser, buddy? Huh? Oh, big rolling around little boy. Look at you. Hi, honey. Get it. Where's your hand? Good boy. Where is it? Oh, it's on your hand. It's on your hand. There it is. Oh. I'm gonna run out of memory. Alright, let me stop this and send it.